Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's mathematics class. Hope you all are fine. Did you practice all the exercise questions in your textbook? Okay. Today we are going to revise more problems. Children, before that, all of you listen here. In your question paper, the first section is fill in the blanks. In that section, you have to write the answers only. After each section, you have to leave one line. Please read the questions and write the correct answers neatly. In addition and subtraction question, you have to calculate it in your answer paper and write the correct answer. Draw columns and arrange the numbers correctly. Children, may God bless you. All the best. Now all of you take your maths notebook. Children, write the date 39, 20. Question number 32, write the smallest number. A. Some numbers are given. 609, 619, 690, 600. All numbers are 3-digit numbers starting with the 6. So you just look the tens place. Here 0, 1, 9, 0. So 609 and 600. Here 100 place is 6. Here also 6. This one is 0 in tens place. This also 0 in tens place. You just look the ones place. This one is 9 and this one is 0. Which is the smallest one? 600 is the smallest one. Next one, question number B. 774, 779, 772 and 775. All numbers are 3-digit numbers. Then look here. In hundreds place is 7. In tens place also 7. So you just look the ones place. 4, 9, 2, 5, which is the smallest one. 772 is the smallest number and circle it. Next one, question number C. 954, 813, 430 and 605. All numbers are 3-digit numbers. In hundreds place, this one is 9, this 8, this one 4, this one 6. So which is the smallest one? Which is the smallest one? 4. That one is 430 is the smallest number. Clear? Then leave one line. Then write question number 33. Write the greatest number, biggest number, largest number. Write the greatest number. So question number A, 900, 300, 700, 800. Which is the greatest one? 9, 3, 7, 8. 9 is the greatest one. So encircle 900. Next one B, 654, 546, 456, 464. So look here, all numbers are 3-digit numbers. Here starting number is 6, 5, 4, 4. So which is the greatest number? 6. So 654 is the greatest number. You write the answer 654. Next one, question number Z, 717. Next one, 417. Next one, 517. Last one, 817. So all numbers are 3-digit numbers. Then this one starting with the 7. This one 4, 5, 8. So which is the greatest number? 7, 4, 5, 8. So 8. So 817 is the greatest number. This one is 700, 400, 500. So 800. 817 is the greatest number. Clear? The next one, use the symbols and compare the numbers. Which are the symbols? Greater than, less than or equal to. Then look here, 492 and 429. Both numbers are 3-digit numbers and starting with the 4. This also starting with the 4. So you just look the tens place. This one is 9, this one is 2. Which is the greatest number? 9. So 492 is greater than 429. Open mouth is towards the greatest number. Open mouth is towards the greatest number. Next one B, 598 and 985. Look here, this one is 500, this one is 900. Which is the greatest number? 900. So 598 is less than 985. Open mouth is towards the greatest number. 598 is less than 985. Clear? Next one, question number C, 988 is equal to 900 plus 80 plus 8. So look here, this one is in expanded form. Actually the short form is 988. This also 988. This one is in short form, this one is in expanded form. 988. Here 900 plus 80 plus 8. Both numbers are same. So you put is equal to symbol. Next one. What comes after, before and in between? After 899. After 99, 100. After 8, 9. So after 899, 900. Which number comes after 899? After means next number. After 899, 900 is the number. Next one, before 890. Before 90, which number comes? 89. So before 890, 889. This one is 890. Before 90, 89. So before 890, 889. Next one, 749 and 751. In between these two numbers. 749. Next one 750. Next one 751. In between 749 and 751. Which number comes? 750. Clear? Next one is write the plane shape with examples. Which are the plane shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. You have to study the spellings and the examples also. Square. Example, chessboard. Rectangle. Example, newspaper. Triangle, samosa. Circle, bangle. Next one, solid shapes. Which are the solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Sphere example, ball. Cube example, dice. Cuboid example, brick. Cone example, ice cream cone. Cylinder example, drum. Sphere example, ball. Not bangle. Clear? Next one, do as directed. Do as directed. You have to do the calculation. Just look the symbols, that sign. This one is subtraction, subtraction, addition, addition. You just look the sign. 758 minus 274. First subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. So 8 minus 4, that is possible. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 fingers. So you write 4 in the place of ones. Next one, 5 minus 7, that is not possible. So you borrow 100 in the place of hundreds, and 100 equal 10 tens. So 10 plus 5, 15. So 5 becomes 15 and 700 become 600. Clear? Then after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you write 8 in the place of tens. Next one, now we have only 6 hundreds. So 6 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So you write 4 in the place of hundreds. So the answer is 484. Then next one B, 955 minus 636. 5 minus 6, that is not possible. So you borrow 110 and 5 becomes 15 and 5 becomes 4. So after 6 count up to 15. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 9 fingers. So you write 9 in the place of ones. Then 4 minus 3. After 3, 4. How many finger? Only 1 finger. So you write 1 in the place of tens. Then 9 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So you write 3 in the place of hundreds. The answer is 319. Then question number C, 85 plus 29 plus 14. First add ones, then add tens. 5 plus 9. After 5, take 9 fingers after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then 14 plus 4. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Write 8 in the place of ones and 1 carry over to tens. 8 plus 1, 9. After 9, take 2 fingers. After 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, that one is 12. So you write 2 in the place of tens and 1 in the place of hundreds. The number is 128. First add ones, then add tens. Next one, question number D. 629 plus 147. So 9 plus 7. 9 in mind, take 7 fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So write 6 in the place of ones and 1 carry over to tens. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 in the place of tens. Next one, add hundreds. 6 plus 1, 7. You write 7 in the place of hundreds. The answer is 776. Clear? Children, please solve the worksheet and revision questions in your textbook. That is page number 138, 140 and 141. I will send the answers. Be prepared for the first term examination. All the best. Thank you. God bless you. Have a beautiful day.